And we've got some breaking news coming in. This is regarding a seer who was murdered in Nanded in Maharashtra. The main accused has been arrested. The seer was murdered in Nanded in Maharashtra, and politics has now erupted. Former Maharashtra Chief Minister has called the murder heartbreaking, and the BJP has alleged that seers are not safe in Maharashtra.
महाराष्ट्र में गत एक महीने के अंतराल में ये दूसरी बार साधुओं की हत्या हो चुकी है। पहली हत्या को सरकार ने अफवाह कह के करार दे दिया। समूचे देश के और संतों की मांग थी सीबीआई को सरकार जांच सौंपे, पर महाराष्ट्र सरकार ने अब तक नहीं किया। अब एक महीने में दूसरे साधु की हत्या होती है। ये हो क्या रहा है महाराष्ट्र में? ना महाराष्ट्र में संत साधु सुरक्षित है, ना पुलिस सुरक्षित है।
Want to go across to Mustafa live with us from Mumbai. Mustafa, big politics over the murder of a seer in Nanded in Maharashtra. It's become a full political issue now.
Well, of course, Shiv, it has become a political issue for Maharashtra at this point of time. But the development is that the person who is suspected to have murdered this person has been taken into custody by Nanded police. Nanded police SP has shared some details of the investigation, saying that there was a plan to take the dead body in a vehicle, but that was not successful. So the further details of the motive behind this murder will soon come out in the investigations. But the development which has taken place, which is for the achievement for the investigation agency, is that the person who is the accused in this case has been arrested. Shiv.
Okay, thanks very much for that, Mustafa.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.